Customer feedback can hit you like a ton of bricks, bringing to surface all the fears and insecurities you have about your business. Your customers have a problem to solve, and all they care about is solving it. If you don't help them solve it, find out why. In my last video, I talk about how I got started creating Scriptd. Scriptd is a tool to help YouTube creators turn their videos into blogs instantly. In this video, I get some interesting feedback from my first customers. I use that feedback to update the app, and then I have some interesting results cold emailing potential customers. Yes. Send. Let's see how I got on. The main bit of consistent feedback I got from current customers was that the blogs created were just not quite good enough. Now, for a company that's main value proposition is turning your videos into blogs, that was the last thing I wanted to hear. But it's exactly what I needed to hear. See, there are two important things to understand about OpenAI's GPT-3 that I'm using to create the blogs, and that is the speed in which the content is created is usually more impressive than the content itself, and then secondly, what it spits out depends entirely on what you put in. So what does that mean for Scriptd? So if I can automate the process of making the blogs and show that the blog is created instantly, I think people will be less critical of the quality of the content and more open to the fact they'll have to adjust the content to make it right for them. And then secondly, because I'm using their transcript, basically if their transcript or their video content doesn't quite flow, then the blog also isn't going to flow or isn't going to work. So I've added an extra option to generate a new blog with a prompt so that you can add extra information to get the blog you want. So alright then, here is the landing page. Pretty simple for now, might have to change that at some point. So you press create blog, you can add in your video title, upload your audio. That takes you to a confirmation screen. The blogs are $5 for now, but you do get one free one. That will probably change at some point in the future. Then you take the payment from Stripe checkout, which is super easy to set up, and payment confirmed. Then if you go to your content page, you can view your blogs. And voila, there's your blog. So it doesn't actually happen that fast because I've just cut out the loading time for the video. But yeah, there's your blog. You have the option to create up to 5 with a prompt. And then you can also get the transcripts, and it gives you the English transcript, and then you have the option to translate it. That's all the product updates I've made for now, as I had to draw a line in the sand somewhere. And now it's time for the scary part, marketing. I decided for my first marketing strategy I would do direct outreach using cold emails. I found some YouTube channels online that I thought would be interested in this tool, and then found their emails. I crafted a quick email and then pressed send. And now it's time to wait. And wait. And wait. And wait, but no response came. now's not the time to give up. This is the first hurdle and I've barely had a crack at getting over it. There are hundreds more marketing strategies and 1,000 more ways to execute them. A couple options we have are SEO, paid ads, posting on some forums, social media, cold calling. I need to do some experimenting to find out what works best for Scripty.